So next concept is enantiomers. Enantiomers means what? What is the meaning of enantiomers? Before we discuss chirality and molecular symmetry and optical activity. Any organic molecules, it should be organic, it should be optical activity, it must be contains chiral carbon. Chiral carbon. See, coming to the enantiomers, compounds which are compounds which are compounds which are mirror images with each other. Compounds which are mirror images of each other. Compounds which are mirror images of each other. Both are each other, but non-superimposed, but not superimposable, but not superimposable. Compounds which are mirror images of each other but not superimposable is called enantiomers. Is called enantiomers. Compounds which are mirror images of each other but not superimposable. But not superimposable. Both are not coincident. Both are not overlap. Only mirror images only. Only mirror images, but both are not overlap. Both are not identical. Both are not identical. Such compounds are called enantiomers. Enantiomers, remember, enantiomers must and should contain at least one chiral carbon. Enantiomers should be contain at least one chiral carbon. Without chiral carbon, there is no enantiomers. At least one chiral carbon should be present. And coming to the enantio in Greek term, in Greek, enantio means opposite. Mers means parts. Opposite parts. So opposite parts. See, so simple enantio means compounds which are non-superimposable mirror images called enantiomers. Compounds which are non-superimposable mirror images also called enantiomers. This phenomenon is called enantiomerism. This phenomenon is called enantiomerism. At least one chiral carbon should be present in enantiomers. See, enantiomers are having similar property, similar physical property. Enantiomers having similar physical property. Enantiomers are having similar physical properties. Similar physical properties. That is melting points, comma boiling point, and refractive index, and etc. So enantiomers having similar physical property, identical properties. They only differ with enantiomers differ with only rotation of plane polarized light. Enantiomers differs only when enantiomers differs only plane polarized light. Rotation of plane polarized light. See, so compounds which are mirror images with each other but not superimposable is called enantiomers. In Greek, enantiomers is opposite. Mers means parts. The phenomenon is called compounds which are non-superimposable mirror images also called enantiomers. So enantiomers are having similar physical properties like melting point, boiling point, refractive index. Enantiomers differs only rotation of plane polarized light. That means one enantiomer is dextrorotation. That means if one enantiomer dextrorotatory, dextro means dextrorotatory, and another enantiomer levorotatory. So optical rotation, only it is difference only optical rotation. Plane polarized light whenever pass through the organic compounds, if compounds is plane polarized light clockwise direction, that is right angle direction, that is called dextro. So that is only if one enantiomer only differs only optical rotation, which means one enantiomer is dextro rotation, another enantiomer is levo rotation, another will be levo rotation. So this is the important points of enantiomers. It is differs only rotation of plane polarized light. It is difference only plane polarized light. See, let us see the one example. Let us see the example. Butane tool. Example, butane tool. So butane tool. So I will write CH3 and C2H5 HOH. This butane tool. So it is mirror images. You can keep the mirror. So this is like this. It is A and B. So butane tool, this is the butane tool. See here thick line and dot line. Thick line is near to the observer, dot line is away from the observer. See, here is left side is there, it is A molecule, that is butane tool, it is there. Both are mirror images but non-superimposed. You can keep this molecule as it is, keep here, then what happen? Here is OH is right side, but here is OH is left side. Here is methyl is right side, here is methyl is left side. See from your side. So on my side also. See this carbon here is the same only, but here is OH is right side, but here is OH is left side. So that is not superimposable mirror images. Not superimposable. It is not identical. So that's why it is the enantiomers. A and B both are enantiomers. So A and B are both are enantiomers. Okay. And the stereoisomers are, this is one stereoisomer, this is one stereoisomer. So the stereoisomers relate to each other. So non-superimposable mirror images. So it is called enantiomers. It is one stereoisomer. See, it is chiral carbon only, na? It is chiral carbon only, na? Compulsory one chiral carbon should be present. This is the enantiomers. What is the meaning of enantiomers? Means compounds which are mirror images each other. The mirror images of each other, but not superimposable images. Are called enantiomers. Or which compounds are non-superimposable mirror images are called enantiomers. So this is the enantiomers. Coming to the next one, racemization. Coming to the next point. Next to stereooptical racemization. Coming to the next one is racemization. See, racemization is what? A reaction mixture will have two. A reaction mixture will have two enantiomers. A reaction mixture containing containing two enantiomers. A reaction mixture containing two enantiomers in equal proportions. Will have zero optical rotation. zero optical rotation. A reaction mixture containing two enantiomers in equal proportion will have zero optical rotation. As the rotation due to one isomer will be cancelled. One isomer will be cancelled by the rotation due to the other isomer. See, a reaction mixture containing two enantiomers in equal proportion. A reaction mixture containing two enantiomers in equal proportion will have zero optical rotation, as the rotation due to one isomer will have cancelled by the rotation due to the other isomers. This reaction mixture is called racemization. This reaction mixture is known as racemic mixture, and this are racemic modification. This reaction mixture is called racemic mixture or racemic modification. See, a reaction mixture containing two enantiomers in equal means what? See, enantiomers is one is dextro, one is levo is there. One is clockwise direction, another is anti-clockwise. One is plus 50 degree, another is minus 50 degree. Both are combined. Then what happen? Zero optical rotation. Correct na? See, that is only meaning. A reaction mixture containing two enantiomers in equal proportion. Equal proportion means one is clockwise, another is anti-clockwise. Both are equal means both are cancelled. So that's why we'll have zero optical rotation, as the rotation due to one is isomer will be cancelled by the rotation due to the other isomer. This reaction mixture is called racemic mixture. Okay, this reaction mixture is called, the same mixture is known as racemic mixture or racemic modification. Such type of mixture is called racemic mixture or racemic modification. A racemic mixture is represented. Racemic mixture is represented by the prefix DL or plus or minus before the name. So before the racemic mixture is represented by the prefix DL or plus or minus. See, example is plus or minus butanol, butane 2-ol, plus or minus butane 2, plus or minus both are is there, plus or minus, that means it is the racemic mixture. Very, very important. So whenever plus or minus butane 2-ol means plus and minus both are before the name. So plus or minus indicates this indicates what? So this compound is racemic mixture. Racemic mixture means what? So here is two enantiomers pairs is there, two enantiomers is present. Very, very important. So before the name or DL butane 2-ol. This is also same. Racemic means DL means what? Dextro and levo. But dextro means clockwise, levo means anti-clockwise. So it is the represented. Racemic mixture is indicated by the prefix before the name plus or minus or DL, small d, small l. Okay, and racemic mixture and the process of conversion. Enantiomer two enantiomers is there. The process of conversion enantiomer. The process of conversion enantiomer into the process of conversion enantiomer into a racemic mixture. The process of conversion enantiomer into a racemic mixture is called racemization. What is the racemization means what? Definition for racemization means what? Racemic mixture definition means that is the one. So two mixture will have zero optical rotation. The mixture compounds which are having two equal enantiomers will have zero optical rotation, as the rotation is due to cancelled by the other rotation. That is the racemic mixture or racemic modification. Racemization means what? The process of racemization means what? The process of racemization means what? The process of, what is the meaning of racemization? The process of conversion of enantiomer. The process of conversion of enantiomer into a racemic mixture is called racemization. What is the racemization definition? The process of conversion of enantiomers into a racemic mixture is called racemization. So this is the racemic mixture. And coming to the retention. Already know racemic mixture is optically inactive. Racemic mixture is optically inactive. Racemic mixture may optically inactive due to external compensation. Reason that is, there is no need, but racemic mixture, why it is optically inactive means due to external compensation. Okay, so this is the racemic mixture. Next one is retention. Retention. So what is the meaning of retention? The spatial arrangement of atoms, the spatial arrangement of bonds, the spatial arrangement of bonds at asymmetric carbon, the spatial arrangement of bonds at asymmetric carbon center in a chiral molecule, the spatial arrangement of bonds at asymmetric carbon center in a chiral molecule remain the same before and after. The spatial arrangement of bonds at asymmetric carbon means chiral carbon center in a chiral molecule remain the same before and after chemical reaction, or transformation, The spatial arrangement of bonds at a asymmetric carbon center. Asymmetric carbon center means chiral center in a chiral molecule. Chiral center is present, that is molecule is chiral molecule. Remain the same before and after chemical reaction or transformation, and the reaction is called retention. That is called retention of configuration. Retention means before the chemical reaction molecule configuration, and after completion of the chemical reaction molecule configuration should be same. Configuration means what? What is the meaning of configuration? Configuration means arrangement of atoms. Configuration means arrangement of spatial arrangement of atoms. Okay, configuration is nothing but arrangement of atoms, three-dimensional arrangement of atoms. Okay, and see here, so retention, it is due to, retention means before the chemical reaction configuration, after completion of the configuration should be same. Such reactions is called retention. Configuration means three-dimensional arrangement of atoms around the carbon atoms. See here, so retention configuration, that means the preservation of retention configuration of means retention configuration means the preservation of retention configuration means the preservation of the spatial arrangement, the preservation of the spatial arrangement, the spatial arrangement. Retention configuration means the preservation. Preservation means same, preserved. So the preservation of the spatial arrangement of bonds at asymmetric. The retention configuration means the preservation of the spatial arrangement of bonds at asymmetric center during chemical reaction, at asymmetric center during chemical reaction or transformation. So this is the retention. So retention means what? The spatial arrangement of bonds at a asymmetric carbon center in a chiral molecule remain the same before and after chemical reaction or transformation. Configuration means what? Arrangement of, in chiral carbon whatever is there, so three-dimensional arrangement of atoms. So spatial arrangement of groups or valencies or molecules around the carbon atom. So it is configuration. So that configuration means the retention configuration means the preservation of the spatial arrangement of bonds at asymmetric center during chemical reaction or transformation. So in general, during chemical reaction, any chemical reaction, you take any chemical reaction. So the retention configuration. So product configuration is same as that reactant configuration. Product configuration is same that during chemical reaction, after completing a reaction, product configuration is same as that the reactant configuration. Such type of reaction is a retention configuration. See, coming to the example, we discuss the example. Such type of example we discuss. So -2 methyl butane. -2 example. Minus means what? Leave 2 methyl butane 1 ol react with HCl, hydrochloric acid, react with HCl, heat with HCl. So -2 methyl butane 12 heat with HCl. See, I will write here. See, here is methyl, here is hydrogen, CH2H, 1 2 3. So it is -2 methyl butane 2 1. Let's heat with HCl, heating. Then we will produce CH3 H CH2 Cl CH2 CH3 plus HOH. That means H2. This name is what? So 1 2 3 4. 2 methyl plus 2 methyl. So 2 methyl. So 1 chlorobutane. 2 methyl plus 1 chloro 2 methyl butane. 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 See here, remember important point here. So 1 chloro 2 methyl butane plus 1 chloro 2 methyl butane. See, so what is the we discuss now, that is enantiomers and racemization and retention. Okay, in this retention means before the one compound, organic compound, before the chemical reaction configuration and after the chemical reaction configuration should be same. Such type of this is process called retention. See, configuration means this around the this carbon atom, around the carbon atom is thick line and dotted lines are same only. Here also same only. Only this bond will be break. This bond will be break, and here is bond will be happens. Okay, that means here is arrangement of configuration. Retention configuration means the spatial arrangement of asymmetric carbon atom in chiral molecules before the chemical reaction and after the chemical reaction should be same. Arrangement of configuration should be, see here is dotted lines, methyl group, here dotted methyl, hydrogen, here dotted line CH2 group attached to OH, here is also same only, but molecules here is different only. That means before the chemical reaction and after the chemical reaction, so configuration should be same. This process, this is called retention. This is called retention, preservation of spatial arrangement of asymmetric carbon atom. Asymmetric carbon in chiral molecules remain the same during chemical reaction. This is called retention. Retention means reactant configuration and product configuration will be same. So in this retention, optical rotation may be changed. One compound will be dextro, another compound will be levo. That means one is positive dextro rotation, one isomer will be, out of this two configuration will be same only. Both are different isomer, both are different. Both two molecules are different, but signs will be two molecules different, configuration same, but signs will be changed. One is positive dextro, another is negative levo. So negative means levo, another first positive means dextro. Both are different, but configuration is two configuration, both are different only, but configuration is same. But one configuration is dextro positive, another configuration is levo. That means, so in this retention configuration, so one may be dextro rotatory, one may be dextro rotatory C plus, another isomers will be levo rotatory. It is the retention configuration. Retention configuration. It is the retention configuration. So coming to the 3, we can combine. We can write combined 3. We can write the combined 3. So inversion, retention, and racemization. Inversion, retention, and racemization. Inversion, retention, and racemization. Consider the replacement of group. So I will write here, consider the replacement of group X. Here is, I will write one molecule. Consider the X. Replacement of group. Consider the replacement of group. Here is C2H5. See, here is thick line, here is dot line hydrogen, here is CH3. It is chiral compound. So this, consider the one example, this general example. Here is X group is replaced by Y. X group is replaced by Y. See, here is X group is replaced by, this X group is replaced by Y atom. So 3 possibilities is there. See, C2H5, and here is Y and hydrogen and methane. This is a compound A. Here is also different. C2H5, carbon. Here is methyl, and here is hydrogen, and here is Y. It is compound B. Here is A plus B, both will be possible. See, In this point only you remember inversion, retention, racemization. See, if A compound is obtained, X group is replaced by Y. X group is replaced by Y. This is what? Retention configuration. This is the retention. See, methyl group is right side, hydrogen is this side, this side. See it as a top one. It is the retention configuration. A is retention. Retention configuration. Retention configuration. See, coming to the B, product B. So here is X is this side. Okay, methyl group is right side, but methyl group is left side. Hydrogen is right side, it is left side. Same only. But here is what happened? B configuration is inversion. Retention means exactly opposite to inversion. Here is both A and B, 50% A, 50% B. Both are B. This is called racemic mixture. 50% A, 50% of B will be produced. That is called racemic mixture. See, this is the important point. So that is racemic mixture. See, it is clear. See, this compound reactant, this molecule is X group is replaced by Y. So configuration is methyl group is right side, here is also right side. Hydrogen this side, hydrogen this side. CH4 top. So this is called retention configuration. Why? Because same only. Here is X is replaced by Y, same. Okay, position of the spatial arrangement is same positions is there. But coming to the B configuration, so it is exactly opposite. Hydrogen is right side here, but here is left side. Methyl is right side, here is left side. So this is what? Inversion. Here is 50% of A is produced, 50% of B is produced. This is called a racemic mixture. This is the inversion, retention, racemization concept. Okay, is it clear? Thank you.